Hey guys, welcome back to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken ghee roast. This is a spicy chicken ghee roast and a side dish for biryanis or gravies. It's a very delicious and simple dish to make. Let's see how to make it. First I'm going to marinate chicken. I'm adding red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, pepper powder, salt, lemon juice, I'm going to mix everything together. So I've mixed everything together, so I'm going to marinate this overnight, or you can marinate it for about an hour to 1 hour. First I'm going to add ghee. This is ghee roast, so I'll be adding only ghee. I'm going to add the whole spices and some fennel seeds, curry leaves, dried red chilies, and lots of cashews. Cashews and ghee go really well together. So I'm going to just stir fry this for about a minute. So it's been a minute. I'm going to add long cut onions. I'm going to add a little bit salt. And I'm going to cook the onions till it becomes nice and brown. So you can see the onions has browned nicely. I'm going to add the marinated chicken. And I'm adding ginger garlic paste. You can even add it after adding onions and then add the chicken. Mixing everything together. Adding coriander leaves. Now I'm going to cook the chicken in its own water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to put it in high heat, and I'm going to roast it with some more ghee, which will be after 20 minutes. So I'm going to let this chicken to cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and it has become dry. This I'm going to add even more curry leaves, coriander leaves. A little bit more ghee. I'm going to increase the flame. And I'm going to keep roasting this for about 2 to 3 minutes in high heat. So I've been roasting this for about 2 minutes, and it has got a beautiful layer on top of the chicken. And basically the dish is done. So yes guys, chicken ghee roast is done, and I'm going to have a taste of it. I'm going to take some cashews. Wow. Ghee, cashews, awesome. And it's beautifully cooked. So delicious. Yummy. It's a perfect side dish. So hope you guys try this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.